Hi everyone, welcome to datasets. In this video we will learn one of the most important tricks while using Excel. This trick is basically the usage of the curly brackets. I know it may sound like very simple, but trust me, this simple usage will save your minutes, especially while using Excel. So let's start. I want to show you this trick in an example. Here is a dataset that shows us the sales information of a retail store. And in this dataset, I would like to learn what is the sum of total revenue for North, South, and East regions. For this, what I would do first is using the sum formula for each region, for each row, and then calculate the sum again. For example, like type the sum if here, and I'm choosing my range, and then my criteria, which is North, and then my sum range will be like total revenue. And after that, I multiply the formula for each columns, and then I calculate the total as using the sum function. So the first thing I would do is like calculating the total revenue for each row, and then calculate the sum again. But this usage is a little bit like not professional, and it's not looking dynamically. So what I recommend you is using the curly brackets. So what is the better way is using the curly brackets as I told you. And so how can I apply this formula is just I click on cell and then typing sum of again and choosing my range, like the region, and then I'm typing the criteria. I will type the criteria in the curly brackets. So those are North, South, and East. And then I'm choosing the sum range. And I close the parentheses. So I have those results in 3 different cells. So our formula is not end with this. So what will we do is like here, I'll insert the sum function in a total. So our result is here. So the curly brackets are really useful, especially when you need to write dynamic and complex formulas. If you found this Excel trick very helpful, make sure you hit the like button, save this video for later, and follow for more daily tips. See you next video.